Sri Matre Namaha. I welcome you all devotees. In today's satsanga, we will see what is Sri Yantra and what will be the benefits you will get by worshipping Sri Yantra. Lalita Mata is worshipped as Panchadashi or Shodashi mantra and as Sri Yantra. Sri Yantra is the geometrical form of Mother and its worship is considered to be the complete worship of Mother. Now let us see what is Sri Yantra. Sri means all the Aishwarya appeared from Mother and Yantra means such a figure in which all this Aishwarya or Jnana is hidden. Sri Yantra is called the king of all the Yantras because all the Yantras have originated from Sri Yantra and you can worship all the gods and goddesses in front of Sri Yantra. This Yantra has 9 Avaranas and each Avarana has its own Adi Devata. Avarana means the circles, 9 circles. The worship of Yantra is considered to be the highest worship of Lalita Mata. This puja is more effective than Havana. Worship of 9 Avaranas is considered to be the worship of the 9 energy centers in our body. In Sri Yantra, there is residence of both Param Shiva and Parashakti Lalita Mata. Anyone can worship this Sri Yantra, whether it is a male or female. When Sri Chakra Puja is performed on outer Yantra, it is called the external Sri Yantra or Sri Chakra Puja. When the initiation of Sri Vidya is taken, then it is worshipped by meditating on the chakras in the body. So it is called inner Yantra or inner Sri Chakra Puja. To perform Sri Yantra Puja, you have to take Sri Vidya Diksha and Sri Chakra Diksha. Now let us see the benefits of worshipping Sri Yantra. The house or place where Sri Yantra is worshipped always, there is residence of happiness and peace at that place. Where the Yantra is worshipped, the demonic power cannot last long at that place. Those who perform this puja, every wish is fulfilled. Establishing and worshipping Sri Yantra in the house or in your shop solves your financial problem. In front of Sri Yantra, every sankalpa is fulfilled. The seeker who always worships Sri Chakra, his body is purified in every way. His evil actions begin to be cut and good deeds help him to move forward. His spiritual and worldly progress begins to happen properly. This worship also cures all your health problems. In this way, you have a lot of benefits. It is difficult to tell all the advantages, so you must take Sri Vidya initiation. Later, you can take Sri Chakra Puja initiation. If you have Sri Yantra but have not taken initiation, so you can chant Lalita Sahasranamam in front of Sri Yantra, or you can also perform Kumkuma Archana on it. If you do not have Sri Yantra, then prepare a photo frame of Sri Yantra and in front of it you can chant Lalita Sahasranamam. Thank you to all you devotees. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha.